Hi, I'm Brian Johnson, Emergency Department Manager for North Bay Health. And I'm excited about Elemental Health. We've been working with them for over 5 years, and being able to provide just-in-time resources to the frontline staff is particularly exciting for me. We do a lot of training, we have specialty equipment, and having that resource available at their fingertips. We have a wonderful story of a nurse being able to set up a Belmont rapid infuser from the point of ring down notification from the ambulance to the patient arrival. They were able to set up the Belmont. It ran smoothly and felt successful, and it was their first time setting up the equipment. And if it not gone well, then you can imagine they would have avoided the trauma room for maybe a couple years, but because we had that information at their fingertips and they were able to refresh what the process was that they had already learned in training within the past year, now they need to apply it, and they had it at their fingertips, and that was so successful. And I was very proud to be in a leadership role and arming the frontline caretaker, the frontline nurse, with that kind of information. So that's one of the things that makes me really excited about the product. I'm also really excited about the product that it allows me to communicate with the staff. So as things come up, it's not always a good time to squeeze it into a newsletter, or even if we're publishing things like once a week, we can go ahead and put in an announcement. And sometimes I've done these announcements from home to handle a shortage of some supplies, and what is the substitute, and what are the specific little things that we need to know in order to successfully use that substituted supply in the care of our patients. And being able to get that out from home is just super powerful. So having this one-stop shop for just-in-time education, announcements, notifications, and then another thing that I'm excited about the product is, and this one's a little bit selfish from the point of view, sometimes as a manager, my battery's depleted, there's a lot of tasks. You're handling a lot of problems. And so one way that I really enjoy recharging my batteries is reviewing the shout outs. So our team, it's a platform where our team can say thank you to each other. And if I'm starting off the day low, or in the middle of my day, I have a low point, just firing up the shout outs and just reading through the staff being grateful about different things can really recharge and get you through a day. And I absolutely love reading those shout outs. It's a way to really kind of reconnect with, hey, there are things that go well. From a manager point of view, you're dealing with all the problems constantly, and there's a lot of good, positive things going on, and being able to see that and review that when you need it is just wonderful.